How to create a blog post in GoDaddy website. Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a blog post to your GoDaddy website and make it a blog. So it is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over to GoDaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to find, as you can see here, the website itself. Now what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We are going to select the website that we want to have here, and we're going to click on it. After that, it is going to show you the dashboard of that website. Now we're going to click on edit site. So we are going to face up the website editor. Now from here, we can go ahead and add a blog. The blog is going to be basically on here. So you can go ahead and add a page. But basically I cannot add a page for this because I am on the free plan. Doesn't matter a lot. So we are going to head over the shortcuts and we are going to find blog. Click on blog and it is going to add the blog right away. So it is going to take you to the, as you can see here, the dashboard. Now what we're going to do, we're going to see the posts. Here we have the blog posts. We have nothing. We are going to create one like this. So we're going to type in the title of the post, and then we're going to have the text. You can of course insert some media like videos, images, or dividers like that by only clicking on the plus button like this. Now for the featured image, you can go ahead and add a featured image, maybe something like, I don't know, here, this one. I'm going to click on insert. This is the featured image or the cover image of the blog. You're going to start by clicking or adding the text like that, and then you're going to modify the text by making it bold or choose the text or the font of it. Make it as a title, as you can see, and then you're going to start by adding the media as much as you want. So at the final step, after you have added your, as you can see here, the blog post, you can go ahead and publish it. For example, this is it. Let's see here, like that. We can go ahead and publish it. Then we are going to add the section, which is going to be heading over here. We're going to type in on search blog. Normally it is going to be the content. It is going to be something like this, and add it right away. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.